How to change parental control PIN for Fortnite. So first, make sure that you're logged in on the Epic Games website. Once it's done, click your name on the top right, then click on account. So just wait for it to load. Once it's loaded up, just simply click on parental controls here on the left side, and you will need to input the PIN, of course, to access the parental control settings. If you forgot your PIN, or if you don't know what your PIN is, you might need to ask on whoever created your account on what your PIN is. But if you forgot what your PIN is, you can just simply click on forgot your PIN, and it will send you an email once you confirm this with instructions that you need to follow. But for me, I already know my PIN, so I'm just going to input it right here. Click on confirm once done. And now you will have an option, as you can see right here, to change your PIN. So simply click on it, and now you need to enter a new 6-digit PIN for parental controls, and you just simply need to click on change PIN. After that, you're good to go.